Question number 28. The four pendulums shown have been cut from the same uniform sheet of board. They are attached to the ceiling with strings of equal length. Okay, they are of equal length, which means what? He's talking about this here. This is equal length here. From here to here. From here to here, it's the same length. Which pendulum has the shortest period? So, how do you measure the length of the pendulum? Length of the pendulum should be with respect to the center of mass of the object. See, here center of mass will be here. Here center of mass will be here. What about this here? This has a larger area, larger mass. So, therefore, center of mass will be here. And here, center of mass will be over here. Which means this will have a lesser length as compared to all of them. This will have a larger length, while this and this will be having the equal length. So, this will have a least length. LD will be having least length. So, we know that T is equal to 2 pi root of L by J. As the value of L decreases, the value of T also decreases. So, therefore, shortest period. So, D is the right answer.